Cycling to Hult Boston campus is a breeze. Look at all these bike lanes, neatly blocked on wide American roads. It's a cyclist's dream. You don't even have to own a bike to ride one. That's how ingrained cycling is in this city's culture. It's up to $3 for a 30-minute ride through the Blue Bike scheme, and you can pick them up in most public spaces like the T-stations and Boston Common. The city becomes a grid of East Coast ice in the winter months, so best avoid hilly areas unless you've got a bobsleigh handy, and bang, there's Boston campus on my left. You know you're in London when there's a pop of red every 5 seconds. See how many you can spot. Buses and letterboxes count, but my Santander bike doesn't, which by the way costs just £1.65 for 30 minutes. You can pick one of these up or any other brand of an electric bicycle anywhere there's a tube station. The graduate campus couldn't be more central, so an average ride to class has you gliding through history and culture. There it is to my right. Back on my trusty Santander bike, and I'm in electric East London on my way to our undergraduate campus. As a cyclist, it can be tricky with rush hour traffic and narrow streets, so take it easy if you're a newbie. This part of the city is a financial hub, so you're never more than a stone's throw from a top business brain or your next networking opportunity. A prize for anyone who can spot the UG campus. It may or may not be the big building with Hult written on the wall.